going to wrap up with GameStop's fourth quarter numbers. I'll always mention GameStop because of obviously the meme stock trade. That's been pretty uninspiring over the course of the past 3 months, trading in a range between $20 and $30 pretty much. They did make a profit in Q3. They've still, they're still very much restructuring the business. They've closed loads of stores. There has been some talk that Ryan Cohen, I think who's the CEO, will be looking at selling its Canadian and French operations, which would streamline it further. Revenues have come down quite a bit. Last year Q4 saw revenues of $1.8 billion. Q3 this year saw $1 billion less than that, but they're profitable. They're starting to turn a profit. So, and having been into a GameStop store when I was in the US, their staff are very good. They're very friendly and they're very knowledgeable. So, hopefully there is a place for a sort of a game store like that, similar to Game here over here in the UK.
Yeah. Does any of that matter for the stock? I mean, it's one of those where they are, as you rightly said, the original meme stock. They were the ones that Reddit were getting all excitable about back in 2021 during the pandemic. And I still think it's very much a case of, it's admittedly not one I follow closely, but almost what that business actually does and how well it operates plays second fiddle to whatever prevailing sentiment is at the time, and arguably where the Fed funds rate is as well.
Yeah, and obviously very reliant on consumer discretionary spending. And if the US economy is starting to slow down, what's the first thing that gets cut?